Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Salman Khan. I'm a dental specialist orthodontist, also known as DrBraces, practicing at DrBraces Dental and Orthodontic Center here in Bangalore. Today's topic is for all those Invisalign patients who know that somewhere the treatment is lagging, but they don't know what mistakes they are making. Let me quickly recap 6 top mistakes that my Invisalign patients commonly make and learn from them and make sure you don't do the same. Let's jump right into it. Number 1, topping the list, many Invisalign patients miss appointments. When I have to see you in the office, when I have to see my patients, when I say 5 weeks or 6 weeks or 7 weeks in advance that I need you to be there, you will need to come there. Sometimes it's a critical appointment. We need to see what's happening, whether it's tracking, not tracking. So if you miss appointments for a long time, 2-3 days, 5 days, 1 week is okay, but if you're not in the office for a month or 2 months from the time you're supposed to be, then there is a huge mistake. Number 2, we put a lot of attachments that look like this, and many patients take this extremely lightly. This is designed by your orthodontist in specific places to ensure specific movements take place. If you keep breaking them and you don't come back to the orthodontic office to get them topped up, then the required efficiency and desired movements do not come through, and then the treatment plan which was promised to you right in the beginning is not actually visualized and materialized. Number 3, now this one's, I know, the compliance hardest part, not wearing your aligners for 22 hours a day. See, I understand you can be having a very busy schedule and sometimes you may need to take your aligners off multiple times, but 22 hours is what Invisalign recommends. I would still give a margin of another 1 hour or 90 minutes. So anything between 20.5 hours and plus, my patients are okay with the compliance and we will see good results. But I have sometimes patients who are like, doctor, I cannot wear for more than 12 hours. Well buddy, if you can't, then we cannot finish your treatment and will not get the desired results that we discussed about right at the beginning. Number 4, many patients sometimes, especially the kids, they start eating and drinking while they're wearing aligners. That's a big no. You know what happens? It damages the aligners, especially if you consume something hot. It will deform the aligners, it will stain the aligners, and if there is a lot of food lodgement, it will going to slow down your treatment overall. So eating and drinking is strict no. You can consume cold water or room temperature water when you're a aligner, but nothing else. Coming to point number 5, they don't get IPRs on time. Now IPRs is nothing but making small spaces in between your teeth. We would have staged it, like after 5th aligner we need to do this to create some space for further tracking of treatment. So we would have staged this from 5th aligner or 8th aligner or 10th aligner, and we expect you to come in at that time so we can do those procedure and your treatment will go smoothly. But sometimes I need to see the patient before 5th aligner and he walks in my office after he's already completed 8th aligner, and then he complains, doctor, why this tooth hasn't moved? Well, it hasn't moved because I have not seen you to make that space in your mouth. And 6th, but most important, many patients think, I've already worn aligners for so long, I don't really need retainers. Well, that's the biggest mistake. Please ensure you always wear retainers, be it braces, be it aligners. Any orthodontic treatment, once the treatment is done, you need to follow the retention protocol, work with your orthodontist and follow the retainer wear protocol to the T. Otherwise, you could be back in his office 6 months or 1 year from the time you finish treatment for a retreatment. If you are thinking of getting an Invisalign treatment, I have a beautiful video which says about what to expect on your first Invisalign appointment. Click on this link to go to that video. See you in the next one soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. See you.